See, I can't do it, y'all. If this is a Christmas music, I can't do it. I can't do it. Forget it. I can't do it. I gotta get something better. Okay, so here we go. Let's go. I can't take it no more. There we go. It is so much better. Hi. How are you? Oh, I'm so glad you guys are here. Hi, I'm just drinking me some coffee. We got some plans, honey. We got some plans, all right? So try to stick around. Here is my current project, my whip, okay? This is my whip. This is, speaking of Sea Buddha, more Sea Buddha. And y'all, I don't like it. Why don't I like it? This is the most interesting thing that some red got on it. 'Cause it's black. It is. No, it is black, y'all. Like, blacker than black. You can't get no blacker than this. This is Wesley Snipes black. Wesley, I love you, honey. But yeah, this. So this is a gentleman's scarf. And I posted it in free patterns on Discord. And there, if you're watching this on YouTube, the link is in the description. So, and there's my, but anyway, I just started on it. Black is just a chaos. I don't like chaos. Shit. But this is it. This is the gentleman's scarf. Well, I mean, I like white. I don't know, y'all. Black is I just don't. What can I say? I just don't. I got some junk. And it's still in the box, y'all. And I know what it is. I mean, who wouldn't know what it is, right? Right. So this is an official unboxing. I know what it is. But I'm actually, it's nothing exciting. But it ain't black. So that in itself is exciting. So look. Okay, so let's get on in here. This is 24/7 cotton. We talked about this cotton before because I had made some coasters with it. But I just wasn't, is it that I didn't even realize? Y'all remember that I had made, I had showed y'all the beats. And I thought that, this was pretty much all the best, the brightest, most vibrant color that 24/7 cotton comes in. No, it comes in aqua. Isn't that pretty? 24/7 cotton. And I got it from, guess what? Amazon. Of course I did. This color, and I know, oh my God, I have a neutral color. But I don't know, to be honest, the picture on Amazon wasn't as accurate. But this is a good neutral color. I thought it would be a little bit more vibrant, but it's great. It has its place. This is amber. (24/7). That cocoa would be pretty with this right here. It would, wouldn't it? Shifty, you like this color? So see, I was thinking the wrong thing. I didn't know that they had vibrant colors, but they do. So this is the amber. And again, I got it on Amazon. We are going to crochet a half granny square, aka a granny square triangle. And the hook I'm going to use is, I think I want to use an eye for this. Let me take another sip of this. Okay, so we're going to use an eye. And how we begin is, we're going to make a magic circle. Okay, so look, let's get this straight. I need to show you guys. How do you make your magic circle? Let me ask you, first of all, how do you make your magic circle? Do you be doing all of this where you got to go up under, I don't even know how they do it. Go up under here, go up, I don't even know how they do it. When all it is, hi, honey. Hi. Coming in when I'm... Hi, honey. You do it like that. It's shifty. Look, there's an easier way, sweetie. But you know what? To answer your question, I don't know how to do magic circle. I have given... Okay, here we go. Oh. Let me show you how to do a really, really easy one, honey. And I don't know, I just kind of figured it out on my own, and then I saw somebody else, what they called it. What it is just an easy slip knot before you actually pull it. Let me show you. Let me show you. And hi, Mama Jewel. Here we go. Look. You know how, this is how I make a slip knot, okay? I'll go on up in here, pull up that loop. Let me do that slow again. Wrap it around my fingers and pull up that loop. Okay, and then I just put it in here and pull it tight. And voila. That's how I do a slip knot. Well, my magic circle that I do is just a precursor to pulling that. So I just put it over. And instead of, see, I put it in here, but I leave it. I grab that, pull it taut, and then commence to chaining, whatever they say, and go on in. Let me do that again. And this has nothing against anybody who does it, a different way. There's 1,000,001 ways to do everything in crochet. And that's one of the things it's just so individualized. It's customizable. Yes, it is. It's customizable. I love crochet for that simple fact. And I'm moving my thingy up and down my tablet because, I don't want it to cut off. So, okay, let's do it again. I'm trying to So I just go around, pull up that loop, put my hook in there. Okay, sweetie, thank you, Snowball. Put my hook in there and just commence to chain it.
Don't force me out of bed in your society. Don't push me down the road you've been down. Don't try to fix my head, it's just your anxiety. Don't hush me now, cause I just wanna shout. Don't make me dance to a tune that you're humming. No, my body.
These are great if you have a project where you need a corner in your granny square. Like say if you want to make a lapel on any clothing or anything. These are great.
We'll be dancing with our hands in the air when our new dawn is rising.
That is it. It is so easy and so simple. Then you cut your yarn. And then you can sew in your ends. So see? Easy peasy, y'all. Easy peasy. Now, you don't have to do it this way. Now that you know the basics of it, go ham. Go ham with it. I made 4 of them. This is the sugar and cream. And I made 2 and then 2 of the Dishie. And then I sewed them together. You just sew them together. So easy, sweeties. And then I didn't, and this is cotton, of course, but I didn't have red cotton, which I'm going to have to remedy because I want some bright red cotton. I just made it really simple. It is so easy. So easy. God rest ye merry gentlemen, let nothing you dismay. Remember Christ our Savior was born on Christmas Day to save us all from Satan's power when we were gone astray. Oh, tidings of comfort and joy, comfort and joy. Oh, tidings of comfort and joy. Now, that's as much as I'm going to do. All right. That's as much as I'm going to do. All right. So let's get on back. Be strong.